Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Wednesday, July 18th, 2018. And today in our Tech News Update, we have an interesting test that's been done by a YouTuber. So it seems that the YouTuber in question has actually compared a Apple MacBook Pro with i9 processor, the brand new ones that are coming out, with a 2016 model. And surprise, surprise, it's slower than the 2016 model. It seems that the bad thermal design is throttling the CPU because it's just becoming too hot, and it actually decreases performance. So this is kind of an interesting look at what's coming up new, and showing that for some reason Apple is kind of losing its touch in all the design devices. Well, Google, we were waiting for that to happen today, has been slapped by a $5 billion fine for antitrust case because of Android. It apparently is not being fair, and it's using its dominant position in the mobile market. So what the European Union wants is that Google Chrome and Search be removed from Android and be separate products that you have to download. So this is of course going to be appealed probably, but wow, $5 billion. Could have been worse. It could have gone up to $9 billion, or 10% of revenue. But $5 billion is a pretty big fine right now. Something weird is happening with the Windows Insider download site. It seems that all the ISOs have been removed, and it just says coming soon when you try to get a new image to download. Now, it's been 2 weeks since we had a slow build ring, and usually that means that we should have an ISO for the latest slow ring, but it's not there, and we're all wondering what is happening exactly. Study is showing that facial recognition is actually very bad, and at times can actually have as much as 92% of false positive. And it depends on many factors, including your skin color and all sorts of details. And it seems that they have a lot of problems and difficulty in really recognizing who is who. And of course, this is where artificial intelligence and machine learning will need to help it out. Well, Netflix has actually updated its speed test service, which is fast.com. It now not only shows your download speed, but it will show your internet's connections, upload speed, and latency to give you kind of a better picture of what could be wrong if it's not your download speed. Well, are you scared of self-driving cars hitting the roads? You might be even scared a lot more now. A demonstration of a $225 device that spoofs GPS signals actually has shown that you can actually have self-driving cars kind of smash into incoming traffic. So of course you now think about the bad guys that could use this to create really bad problems. So this is going to be an interesting thing to look at. One of the things that I am thinking about this though is, yeah, okay, you can spoof the GPS, but you know, there's still sensors around the car that must probably autonomously, you know, kind of keep it on the road. Shape Security has released its second annual spill report. Of course, this is a report that talks about credential spills and data leaks that's happening. It has reported in the past year 51 credential spills, leaked 2.3 billion credentials of users, and shows how bad data leaks are. In 25% of cases, it had to do with people using the same password everywhere. Shows you how important that needs to be fixed. And also, it's just showing us that more and more, I think, companies should not keep personal data of users. Are you using Wi-Fi in the airports? Well, if you're actually connecting your devices to the airport Wi-Fi, maybe you should think again. It seems that it's one of the most dangerous places where hackers just connect to make sure that it can access and hack into your devices. It's much more common than you might think, and it's actually a really big problem. And you want to make some extra cash? Well, Microsoft has a new identity bounty program where you can make from $500 up to $100,000 where you need to find flaws in digital identification systems. It wants to make sure that these vulnerabilities will be disclosed privately to the company. So, there's all of these bug bounty programs of all sorts where you can, make extra cash. Why not, if you have the knowledge to do it, try it out. And this was the Tech News Update for Wednesday, July 18th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.